Hey guys, welcome to another video. Thank you guys so much for opening my video and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button because that will mean so much to me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. Alright, it feels like I can't breathe every time I say that, you know? I want this video to be a little bit more different, so this is going to be my first PR unboxing video, you guys. And first of all, let me tell you, I want to thank you guys because without you guys, I wouldn't get all this amazing free makeup, you guys. I seriously cannot afford these things. I cannot, I'm being honest, I cannot afford it. And thanks to you guys, I am able to get everything for free to review it and test it out and let you guys know what I think about this, you know? So it's just freaking amazing, you guys. So thank you guys so much, you guys, for believing in me, supporting me, and helping me reach my goals. So alright guys, so this is going to be my first unboxing video. Like I said, I do sometimes do unboxing on either on Instagram or Snapchat, but I feel like I haven't done any on YouTube, so why not today? So one product that I already tested out because I filmed today is going to be on this one. Let me get it. Oh Lord, I'm not prepared. Alright you guys, so the first one I already tried it out, so if you guys like this makeup look, you guys make sure to wait a couple more days. I don't know when I'm going to be uploading. I do really want to have a schedule up again, like upload at least 2 times a week. I really wish, I hope I could do 3 times, but I really don't know, you know, life happens. So the first one that I was like, what, this is so cute. This is the one by Decay, and it says will work for makeup. Hell yes, anything about makeup, I will work for makeup. So when you first open it, oh my god, I never done this on video, so it's kind of hard, you guys. I know, they're moving everywhere. So when you first open it, it says any look, anytime, anywhere, you guys. And let me show you that everything that comes in here, you guys. This is their Born to Run collection, you guys. Here is their palette. I freaking love the packaging. I love that they have everything in the back. And when you open it, oh my goodness, when I opened it, girl, I was like, oh Lord, it's like a picture frame. Look at how cute. Look at how gorgeous is this in the front and the back. And then it says just the eyeshadow palette in the back. Are you ready? Look at how gorgeous these shadows are. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. These freaking shadows are so beautiful. Right now I have the Wanderlust, which is this green one on. And I have more shadows on of this palette. But yeah, if you guys want to learn how to create this look, then just stay tuned for another video. So it comes with that, and then it comes with 3 of their, let me get them. This is kind of hard to film, you guys. 3 of their Glide On 24-hour pencils, you guys. And they sent out the Overdrive, Double Life, and Lucky. I was gonna say Lucy. They're like really fall-y, right? They're fall. I don't know if this is like for fall or what, but they're really pretty. And they sent out this setting spray. I love their all-nighter setting spray. And what the new thing about it is that they double capped it, you guys. So that's a really good idea. And they also sent out their new lippies. This is freaking cute. Look at this. Just look at the details, you guys. It's like picture frames. So they sent out 3 shades, which is Ready, Marfa, and the one that I have on my lip right now is Comfort. So this one's 66 or Comfort. I think this is called 66. So this is 66 for you guys. So yeah, that was the first packaging. Oh, my first unboxing here on YouTube. Now this shit is hard to put away. Hold on. So now the second box is by Marlene Norman Cosmetics. I never heard of this brand, you guys, but they sent it in this cute pink package. I want a background like this with this 2 shades, like nude pinks. So let me show you what everything's in here. So it's like a sleek, clean package, and it just says, welcome to the summer, welcome the summer season with fresh beauty from Marlene Norman, introducing the new May 2018 launches inspired by the latest simplistic beauty trends. Some buzzworthy looks below. We can't wait to see what you create with this look. So this is how the packaging looks, you guys. Really simple, like it says. So they sent out some of their cheek crayon, brow gel, Let me show you guys a brow gel. I really don't know how this unboxings go on here, but look at this. Yes, nice. Let's see, a cheat crayon. Sometimes I hate opening packages like this because it's kind of hard. Oh, yes. So this one is the rose petal. Oh, it's fat. Oh, wait, a lip polish. Okay, and Diamond Diva, please. Oh, ooh, look at this one. Lip polish in Diamond Diva. Oh, I'm definitely swatching this, you guys. Okay, let's see. I am not prepared for the swatches, you guys. Do you guys see that? That is beautiful. It reminds me of the one that I have from Mariana and Mariah Carey. But the packaging, the way that it looks in there, it's so freaking pretty. So thank you so much, Marlene Norman, and thank you also to Urban Decay. Now, on to the next box. Okay, on to the next bag. On to the next package, you guys. This one is from Perfect 365. If you guys know what Perfect 365 is, an app, you guys, that I have some makeup tutorials in there. Now you can download it, and let's say I upload this makeup tutorial and you guys can try it on virtually, which is freaking awesome. When I first downloaded the app was like 3 years ago. I think 2 or 3 years ago. I was like, damn, I wish I could be on this app, you know. Freaking cool. It's so awesome that you can try someone else's makeup before actually applying it on yourself and seeing how it looks, and it's really cool. So it says, give them that glow that got him like whoa with the special products this summer. Speaking glowing, you'll be seen from outer space wearing the MEHRON Cosmetics. So this is like some goodies at Perfect 365. Now Perfect 365 is not a makeup brand, it's just an app. So they sent out this instant natural strength and in naturals, what is this? Oh, age defining and skin clearing moisturizer. Anything that's natural and organic, count me in. How do I open this? This is how it looks. Oh, and this is a strobe scope hyper flash orb skin perfecting powder. Oh, so it's a highlighter, but look at the packaging. Oh, and then in the back, let's see this. This looks like some space stuff. Oh, how pretty is this? Oh my god, is that a moon? Those are crystals. It is the moon. How pretty. Look at that. I can't wait to one day be able to create a palette, you guys. And I have two type of the way that I want it to look. I have two ways. So one of them will be with the moon. It says moon play. This is freaking cute. Moon play and the crystals in the middle. Oh, so it's a highlight. Let's see. Oh my god, these things are... What did I drop? So you guys, literally, I just went to check out if my my footage was good, and the last clip that I was filming got deleted. So just want to show you guys a swatch again and refilm everything again because I don't want this to mess up anything. So that's a pretty swatch, and like I said again, this one is a strobe scope. That kind of killed my mood, but I really don't want it to kill my mood. So the next packaging is by MEHRON makeup, you guys, and they sent out so many goodies. It's crazy. Let me show you guys. So they sent out this what is this? Their Conceal It palette. Then we have their Corrected Neutralizing palette. They're actually like good size. This one's like really big. The Contour and Highlight palette. And this one is their Highlighting Pro palette. There are 3 shades in there. And this is their Face Smoothie sponge. And this is the Liquid Vinyl Makeup House of MEHRON. Like I told you guys, I already opened this for you guys, but the video clip freaking got deleted. But this is how it looks. It's like really vintage, 1927. And it says that it's a paintable liquid makeup. So I really can't wait to try that one because it was really pigmented when I first tried it. And then I got their Eye Shimmering Ape Color palette. The packaging is freaking cute. In the back it says the name of the shadows, and look at how big it is. And it comes with a brush. Look at how big they are, you guys. They are so big, and look at that. Bam! They're matte 8 color palette. They are huge, and I'm making a mess over here, but I'm not prepared for this. Oh, they are so big, you guys. I can't wait to try all these goodies. And I also got their Brazen mascara. For my next packaging, you guys, is by Pixie, and it says glow in a box. I love their packaging, it's so cute. So they sent out, let me show you guys just a close-up so you guys can see. And it says their glow duo highlighters. So these are their highlighters, and these are their ultra sparkling liquid eyeshadow with 3D effect to wear solo or on top of any eye look. I thought it was seriously, oh my lord, that's what's missing. Hey, I thought they were like lip glosses. They look like lip gloss. Their packaging is always on point, and I love this pink shade. Now my next packaging is by Too Faced, you guys. This is how everything looks, and it says, hey gorgeous, conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch with our brand new super coverage long wear natural finish concealer infused with coconut water to keep skin hydrated, photo ready complexion. Plus fully loaded pigments provided maximum coverage with an undetectable whatever finish for a look so flawlessly they'll think you were born with this. Born this way. And it says that Jackie Ann created the perfect shade range for all skin tones. Yeah, so Jackie Ann is the one in the middle. She helped out to create this, and they sent out all of their concealers. Look at that. There's a lot, and I already tried them out, you guys, so I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is how the packaging looks, you guys, and I already tried it out for a video, so you guys are going to see a full look using this and everything, and this is how they look inside. And in the back it says contour, conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. And it's actually pretty big. What is that? It's actually pretty big for a concealer. It looks like a foundation, but like I said, it says that you can conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. So you can probably even use it as a foundation. So the next product I want to show you guys, I had it all nice and pretty wrapped up, but again, the video did not show. It's some new goodies, or some goodies by Elf, you guys, and it says that America's #1 primer. So they sent out their primers, I bet. This is their Beauty Shield SPF Skin Shielding Primer. I have one that I'm using already. And then their Pore Refining Primer Mask. I love their masks. They're like so cute. Every time I say cute, can we take a shot? And then their Oil Control Primer Mist. And then we got their Prep and Hydrate Balm. I have used that one already. Their Poreless Face Primer. So my next package is by DermaE, you guys. Smile, you are beautiful. They sent out, let's see, their Vitamin C Micellar Cleansing Water. Now you can find all these products at Sprouts, you guys. They are really natural and they are vegan. And then this one is their Overnight Peel. So I wonder if it peels. But they are cruelty-free, 100% vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, recyclable, and wind energy. I was going to say wine energy. So yeah, you can find this brand at Sprouts. I love their stuff, you guys. Anything natural and organic, I am in. I love all makeup, so I don't discriminate. The next package, you guys, I already tried everything out. I took everything out because I did a review on this, and it's their Benefit Foundation in Hello Happy, you guys. Everything came in this box right here. As you guys can see, this is how the package looks like, and the packaging looks like this. So each individual foundation goes with the color of the foundation. As you guys can see, here's 2 different foundations, and they both look a little bit different, you guys. So this one is number 2 and then number 4. So by the way, I am number 4, but the packaging is so freaking cute. That little smiling face makes me so happy. So on to the next packaging. Let me see. The next one is by Bye8 Cosmetics. They sent out this, it says open before July on their box. I forgot what these are called, but my kids were like fighting over it. And they sent out their Mani Pack or Hanny Pack. What's it called? Mani Pack, I think. I'm not sure. But on the inside it comes with this Superstar Flawless Foundation Brush. Look at this. That is just too cute. And then their Bye8 Poreless Illumination Powder. And they also just have like some tattoos, this glowing in the dark things for 4th of July. So I will for sure give this to my kids so they can rock it. This especially, Natalie will rock this, I bet. So that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh wait, I can't forget about this. Benefit sent out this glasses, which I'm sure I would not rock this. I'm too old, so I'm giving to my daughter. It is really cute, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys staying to the end. I'm really sorry that this video is everywhere, but like I told you guys, I filmed this whole thing and then I checked on my computer and none of the footage was there, which it's been happening to me lately, but I gotta stick through it. So like I said, you guys, thank you so much, because without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. Like I said, I'm being 100% real and honest. I cannot afford some of this stuff, you guys. I'm being real with you guys, and it's just a blessing that I have the chance to receive these goodies, you guys, to test them out and review them for you guys so you guys can know about it and stuff like that. So thank you guys. Because of you guys, this comes true for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified of my upcoming videos. I feel like I've been drinking so much soda today that I'm like a bird. So yes, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye bye. Remember, you can do whatever you want in life, so don't let no one dim your light. Okay, let's hope everything came out. I think I'm done.